Hello students, today we will study chapter 36 Theme Parks. Theme parks are the lifelines of big cities. Some of the parks of India are given below. Name them. First one, Entertainment City. Second, Adventure Island. Third, Fun and Food Village. Fourth, Gujarat Science City. Fifth, Vigaland Park. Sixth, Ocean Park. Seventh, Nico Park. Eighth, Ramoji Film City. Ninth, SL World. Now our next chapter, chapter 37, Exotic Sports. Some interesting sports are described below. Read the clues and identify them. First, this sport requires many items, wallet, uneven bars, floor, balance beam, etc. Answer, gymnastics. Second, two popular freestyles that are used in this game are Koroman and freestyle. Answer, wrestling. Third, a form of ice hockey played on a concrete surface and skates are used with wheels. Answer, roller hockey. Fourth, it combines swimming and handball. It is a team water sport requiring 6 field players and 1 goalkeeper. Answer, water polo. Fifth, a game played on horseback in team. The teams try to score goals against the opposite team. Answer, polo. Sixth, the players in this game attempt to score points by rolling a bowling ball against a flat surface. The objects called pins are knocked down by the rolling balls. Answer, bullet. Seventh, a request sport played by 2 players or maybe 4. The rubber ball used in hollow and small. It is played in a 4-walled court. Answer, squash. Hello student. Today we will study chapter 38, Indian Defense Weapons. India has equipped its armed forces with sophisticated weapons to defend the borders against any foreign invasion. Some of the Indian weapons are mentioned below. Recognize and write their names. First, the largest aircraft carrier of the Indian Navy. Answer, INS Vikramaditya. Second, the main fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force acquired from Russia. Answer, Sukhoi. Third, fighter aircraft of India acquired from France. Answer, Mirage 2000. Fourth, the main battle tank developed indigenously in India. Answer, Arjun. Fifth, the nuclear-powered attack submarine that entered service with the Indian Navy in 2011. Answer, INS Chakra. Sixth, the multi-barrel rocket launcher. It can fire 12 rockets at a time. Answer, Pinaka. Seventh, this light and smart Russian tank has served the Indian Army with its remarkable performance. Answer, T-90. Eighth, the world's fastest cruise missile in operation developed by India in collaboration with Russia. Answer, BrahMos. Now our next chapter, chapter 39, Chemistry and Everyday Life. Circle the correct option for each of the following. First, gas used to light up signboards in the dark. Fourth option here, but answer first, neon. Second, required in small quantity but its deficiency in human body can cause goiter. Answer, iodine. Third, acid used in a car battery. Answer, sulfuric acid. Fourth, which of the following is a natural sugar substitute? Answer, glycerol. Fifth, chemical with strong odor used in nail polish removers. Answer, acetone. Sixth, which of the following metals is used for galvanization? Answer, zinc. Seventh, acid that is found in human stomach and helps in digestion. Answer, hydrochloric acid. Eighth, acid found in milk. Answer, lactic acid. Ninth, the acid found in the sting of many insects. Answer, formic acid. 10th, most important function of amino acid. Answer, building proteins. 11th, glucose, fructose, raffinose, mannose are forms of sugars. 12th, hemoglobin is red due to answer iron. Hello students, today we will study chapter 40, forms of government. There are different types of governments. Read the descriptions below and name the forms of governments and some related terms. First, it is a form of government in which one person inherits or is elected to a throne and is head of the state for life. In this form of government, the head of a state has titles like king, emperor or sultan. Answer, monarchy. Second, it is a form of government which means rule by the people. In this system, citizens take part in government directly or indirectly. There are free elections, majority rule and minority rights. Political parties are a necessary part and it is a constitutional government. Answer, democracy. Third, it is a form of government in which an individual, a committee or a group holds absolute power. In this system, the person or the group does not allow any opposition. Answer, dictatorship. Fourth, this is a form of government in which power resides in the people and the government is ruled by elected leaders rather than inherited or appointed ones. Answer, republic. Fifth, it is a political and economic system that became one of the most powerful forces in the world. It means belong to all. The ideas for this form of government are based on the teaching of Karl Marx and Lenin. Answer, communism. 6. An economic system in which a country's business and industry are controlled and run for profit by private owners rather than by the government. Answer, capitalism. 7. The absence of government in a state causing confusion and disorder. Answer, anarchy.